So good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the Cyber Prevention Act of 2012. So it is understanding the punishable act and penalties. So first, what is Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012? The Cybercrime Prevention Act 2012, officially known as Republic Act number 10175, is a significant piece of legislation in the Philippines aimed at addressing prevention cybercrime. So the purpose is to prevent and combat cybercrime in the Philippines and the importance of addressing cyber threats. So I have here three scope of act, which is computer-related offenses, content-related offenses, and cybercrime offenses. So punishable acts under the act is, number one is cybercrime offenses, cybersex, child pornography, identity theft, and online fraud. So ano kayang cybersex? Cybersex is an illegal act performed through the use of computer system. So, ang penalty nito is the imprisonment of 6 months to 12 years. So, child pornography, any representation of the child engaged in real or simulated explicit sexual activities. So, ang penalty nito is imprisonment of 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Identity theft, the unauthorized acquisition and use of personal information. So, ang penalty nito is imprisonment of 6 months to 6 years. So, online fraud, any fraudulent activity conducted online, including phishing and scams. So, ang penalty nito is imprisonment of 6 months to 12 years. So, computer-related offenses. Meron tayong dalawa na computer-related offenses, which is illegal access. Illegal access is unauthorized access to computer system. So, ang penalty nito is 6 months to 3 years imprisonment. Yung pangalawa is data interference, intentionally damaging, deleting, or altering data. So, ang penalty nito is 6 months to 3 years imprisonment. So, content-related offenses, meron tayong dalawa, libel and spam. So, libel, publication of defamatory statement online. So, ang penalty nito is imprisonment of 6 months to 4 years. So, ang pangalawa is spam. Sending unsolicited messages, especially for commercial purposes. So, ang penalty nito is the fine or imprisonment based on the severity. And enforcement of implementation, meron tayong agencies involved para ma-prevent ang cybercrime. Ang una is National Bureau of Investigation or NBI. Pangalawa is Philippine National Police or PNP. At ang pangatlo ay Department of Justice or DOJ. Ayun po, yung tatapos ng aking presentation for today.